How to find clipboard on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, I will be showing you guys by copying this text. I'm gonna copy this. After you copy any text, now how to find it on clipboard. For that, what you have to do is open your shortcuts app. You can get this app easily in your device. If you cannot find this app in your device, you can get it from App Store. After you install it, open this app. Now head towards the option of gallery. At the top, you'll find this search box. Over there, type in clipboard and search for it. With that, different options will appear. Just scroll down. After you find this option, adjust clipboard, you have to tap on this plus icon. Now go to this option of shortcuts. Now it will appear over here. Now what you have to do is tap on it, and with that you will be able to find your clipboard. So this is how you can easily find clipboard on iPhone. From this page, you can also change your clipboard content or remove it. So this was all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about how to find clipboard on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.